metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. It is melted and drawn. It is melted and drawn into a wire, having diameter of cross section, as 0.2 centimeter, Find the length of the wire. Listen, the diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. Okay, the diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. Okay, it is melted and drawn into a wire. Having diameter of cross section, as 0.2 centimeter. Find the length of the wire. You got the question? The diameter, listen. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. It is melted and drawn into a wire having diameter of cross section as 0.2 centimeter. Find the length of the wire. Okay. Look at here. You got the question, right? Come on. Suppose if you're melting a sphere, we melted and forming a wire. The volume will be same, correct or not? Volume and the weight will be same. Is it okay? Hello? Because suppose, listen, suppose you have a 100-gram gold chain. Okay, listen, a 100-gram gold chain you have. It is maybe 2019 model. Okay, now you have to make it 2020 Corona model. Okay, so you have to make Corona style, new style gold chain. So what you will do? Hello, what you will do? Okay, melt, Anirudh, you melt, and Anirudh, you cannot melt. You go to the kitchen and keep it in fry pan and melt it. Go to the goldsmith, correct or no? The goldsmith, you suggest it, you show the picture of Corona color photo, then he will make it that type of chain. Okay. Then, but after that, the weight should be 100 gram only, no changes, correct or no? You won't get more than 100 gram or less than 100 gram. Okay, so like that, here, the diameter of a metallic sphere is, 6 centimeter. Okay, it is melted. So that is 4 by 3, 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 equal to, converted to a wire. Wire is cylindrical shape. So pi, don't substitute pi value. Pi into r, wire is pi r square. Pi into r is diameter is 0.2. So 0.1, 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into h. You understood why 1 by 10? Okay. Hello? You understood why 1 by 10? Listen, because 0.1 we converted to 1 by 10. So now pi, listen, this type of questions, a combined figure, the combined figure, don't substitute pi values, because look at here. Our test question, there was 10 pi here, 3 pi here, 4 pi. So just add how much? 17 pi. Then multiply with it 22 by 7 or 3.14. Some guys, they are multiplying here 22 by 7, here 22 by 7, here 22 by 7, then it will waste of time. Easiest way is just add all and finally multiply by 22 by 7, or depends on the question, the 3.14. Okay. Here the question is what? Here the question is a spherical ball, a sphere melted and forming a wire. Both sides is pi there is. So then pi we can cancel. Okay, we can find out the height, the length we can find out. Do it now. Okay, latecomers, write the question. The diameter of a metallic sphere. The diameter of a metallic sphere. The diameter of a metallic sphere. Agamir, check your zeros. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. It is melted and drawn. It is melted and drawn. Melted and drawn into a wire having diameter. It is melted and drawn into a wire having diameter cross section is 0.2 centimeter. 0.2 centimeter. Find the length of the wire. Find the length of the wire. Niharika, unit is not meter, centimeter. Find the length of the wire. Okay, here volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is equal to volume of the, okay, pi 3 cancel. 4 into 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 equal to h. So h equal to 3600 centimeter. We can say 36 meter. Okay, so next question, right? Is it okay now? Clear now? Next question. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. Final answer is 36 meter. Final answer 36 meter. Okay. Next question. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeter. The sphere is melted. The sphere is melted and drawn into a wire of uniform cross section. The sphere is melted. The sphere is melted and drawn into a wire of uniform cross section. Okay. If the length of the wire is 36 meter. If the length of the wire is 36 meter, find its radius. Find its radius. Find its radius. Find the length of the wire and find its radius. Sorry, if the length of the wire is 36 meter, length of the wire is 36 meter, find the radius. Same type question. Okay. The diameter, question what? The diameter of a metallic wire is 6 centimeter. Sphere is melted and drawn into a wire of uniform cross section. Length of the wire is 36 meter. Find the radius. Okay, try fast. Same type now. 4 by 3 pi into 3 into 3 here. H is given here. Pi r square into h is 3600. So pi cancel, 3 cancel, r square equal to 1. So you can find out r. Okay. What? 0.1 centimeter, right? 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. You must read. So you don't write perfectly. That's why you miss the mark. How much you got, University? You must read. 49, because how 1 mark you lost? Because here you made a mistake. It is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. What about your social studies marks you got? Social studies, science and all. How much you got social studies? Okay. So okay. Anybody got full? Okay. Aganshi, you late. Aganshi, you late 15 minutes. Okay, right, next question. A right circular cone, right? A right circular cone, is of height 8.4 centimeter. A right circular cone of height 8.4 centimeter. A right circular cone of height 8.4 centimeter and radius 2.1 centimeter. Radius 2.1 centimeter. It is melted and recast. Into a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Once again, a right circular cone. Look at here. A right circular cone of height 8.4 centimeter and radius 2.1 centimeter. It is melted and recast into a sphere. Find the radius of the sphere. Okay, can you try? Here is what volume of the cone is equal to volume of the cone is equal to volume of the sphere. Okay, try now. I know Ronit. Other batch Quran got. Asmi got. Then Anushka, yes. Then one more student, I forgot the name. Okay. Varsha got. Okay, what is the answer? Question: a right circular cone. A right circular cone of height 8.4 centimeter. Height 8.4 centimeter and radius 2.1 centimeter. Melted and forming a sphere. Find the radius. A right circular cone is 1/3 pi into radius is 2.1. 2.1 into 8.4 equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, don't calculate it. Don't make a big number. So logic you think of. Pi we cancel. Okay, 3 cancel. Okay. So then R4 we can cancel here 2.1. So R cube equal to 2.1 cube. R equal to 2.1. Like this logic way you think about. Don't make it calculations and make. Okay. What happened? You got only 2.1. SST marks. You 2-3 days 2-3 days you didn't sleep, right or no? Yeah. Then how much you got? Short studies before short studies you didn't sleep. That's why you got less mark. No, it should. Before that, that's why I'm suggesting no, don't study just before the exam and relax. Okay. Next question. Okay, ready now? Hello, finish. The barrel of a pen. Hello, right. Next question. This is star question, okay? The barrel of a pen, cylindrical in shape. The barrel of a pen, cylindrical in shape, is 7 centimeter long. Is star question, okay? The barrel of a pen, cylindrical in shape, is 7 centimeter long and 5 millimeter diameter. 5 millimeter in diameter. 5 millimeter in diameter. Okay. Question again. The barrel of a pen. The barrel of a pen, cylindrical in shape. The barrel of a pen, cylindrical in shape, is 7 centimeter long, 5 millimeter in diameter. A full barrel of ink. A full barrel of ink in the pen will be used up on writing 330 words. 330 words on an average. 330 words on an average. How many words would use up? How many words would use up a bottle of ink? A bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter. 1/5 of a liter. 1/5 of a liter. Question. Hello. Listen here. The barrel of a Faraz, you understood now how he missed the marks. You did not write the explanation of the figure. Maybe half mark at there. You always do that. Okay, very short. Okay, look at here. The barrel of a, listen. The barrel of a pen. The barrel of a pen, like this pen. Okay. Cylindrical in shape. Is 7 centimeter long, 7 centimeter long, and 5 millimeter in diameter. 5 millimeter in diameter. 5 millimeter in diameter. A full barrel of ink. A full barrel of ink in the pen will be used up on writing 330 words. 330 words on an average. Okay. How many words would use up? How many words would use up a bottle of ink? A bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter. Containing 1/5 of a liter. Okay, you got the question? After getting the question, just listen here. Hello? Complete the question or not? Okay. So now look at here. You just read the question, go through it, get some idea. Okay. Here, first of all, one bottle of ink. How many liter? How many words would you use up a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter? No, this is 1/5 of a liter only. Okay, listen here. So one bottle of blood you're giving. How much that? Any idea? Hello, one bottle of blood you're giving to someone. How much they will take it? Any idea or not? 1 liter? Hey, come on, Lakshmi. Come on. If you take 1 liter, that donor will die. It's around 200 ml only. 200 ml. Okay. 200 ml only take. Okay. They cannot take such a big water bottle. Okay. Okay, so Lakshmi thought like this bottle take. No, they won't take it. Only 200 ml from one person. Okay, it's every 6 months we can give. Okay, no. Listen, we're discussing about this question. Blood donation. Every 6 months we can give it. There is no problem. Okay, so if you register your name, they will call you if they want. Okay, so I come to the point now. The question: how many words would be used? A bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter. Okay. Now look at here. Hello, listen. I'll give you a dummy question. Look. Okay, it's this one here. Look at here. Hello. This one, this bottle. Look. Can see now? Hello, can see or not? Okay. This one here you can return. No, okay, look at here. How much this one? How much writing here? The quantity. How much? How much there? You can see or not? Written something. Can I read? Okay, can read this one? No, not 80. Now can read 30. Yes, 30 ml. Okay, 30. That means in this. No, 30 ml, 30. Rubasri, what happened to you? Your eyes some problem? 30 only, no, look, you can see now. Look, camera is clear, right? Okay, so that means in this, 30 ml is there in this. Okay. Okay, once I can fill, 2 ml is required for one filling. What? For filling, once I need 2 ml required. So how many times I can fill? 15 times, correct? 15 times I can fill it. One filling I can write 100 words. Now how many words I can write? 1,500 words I can write. Same only here, correct or no? Same only here. Same here. The volume of ink. Okay, listen. The plan understood? Once again, plan. Look at here. Here, 30 ml. One filling this pen, 2 ml. So 15 times I can fill. One filling 100 words. So 1,500 words I can write. So like that, this question. Look at here. First of all, volume of the ink. Volume of ink in the bottle. Look at it. Not time. I'll give the note. I'll give the note. Volume of ink in the bottle is 1/5 into 100. So 1000. 200 ml. 200 ml we have. Okay. Then volume of the barrel. 5 into R is 5. That 5 millimeter diameter. 5 millimeter diameter means 5/20. Is it okay or not? Listen, 5 millimeter converted to 5/2 millimeter radius. This is the 5 millimeter diameter. So radius is 5/2 millimeter. Converted to centimeter. That is what 5/20. Correct or not? Clear? 5 millimeter. We have 5 millimeter diameter. Radius is 5/2. Millimeter to centimeter because other unit or centimeter. Okay. Then 5/20 into 5/20 into h how much? 14 centimeter, right? Yes, sorry, 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. This is the volume of the barrel. So how many times we can fill? How many times we can fill? 200 divided by 5 into 5/20 into 5/20 into 7 into. That means this much of time we can fill. Now, number of words what? Into how many? 330 words here. Okay. So into 330. Are you okay or not? Is it okay? Clear? If it is clear, I'll give the note. Hello? If not getting, come back to our this bottle. This bottle, 30 ml. Once filling, 2 ml. How many times we can fill? 30 divided by 2, 15 times. Once we can write 100 words. Total 1,500 words. Like that. Volume of the ink in the bottle. Don't write. I'll give the note. Volume of ink in the bottle is 1/5 of 1000 because 1 liter 1000 milliliter. So 200 milliliter. So then volume of the barrel. Barrel is cylindrical shape. 5 into 5/20 into 5/20 into 7. I hope you understood why 5/20. 5 millimeter is the diameter. So radius is 5/2 millimeter. Millimeter converted to centimeter. 5/2 into 1/10. That is 5/20 into 5/20. Don't multiply. Don't do anything. Then after that, number of times we can fill is ink, volume of the ink divided by volume of the barrel. That is here. Number of word is this one. Finish. Okay. Then you write now. Right. First you write volume of ink in the bottle. Volume of ink in the bottle. Volume of ink in the bottle equal to 1/5 liter. 1/5 liter. 1/5 liter equal to 1/5 into 1000 equal to, don't make liter, okay? So we already converted. 1/5 into 1000. First you write what? 1/5 liter. 1 liter 1000 centimeter cube. So 1/5 into 1000 equal to 200 centimeter cube. 200 centimeter cube. Clear now? Don't write like previously I wrote. 1/5 of a liter. 1/5 into 1000. That is 200 centimeter cube. Then after that, volume of the barrel. Volume of the barrel equal to pi r square h. Pi into 5/20 into 5/20 into 7. 5 into 5/20 into 5/20 into 7. Okay. Then write total number of barrels. Total number of barrels. Total number of barrels that can be filled. that can be filled from the given volume of ink. Total number of barrels that can be filled from the given volume of ink. Okay, that is 200 divided by 5 into 5 by 20 into 5 by 20 into 7. Don't multiply, please. Don't multiply anything. Later you can do anything. Otherwise you won't get it. Then after that, last line, number of words. Okay. In this into 330. Everything will cancel. You will get a clean answer, not a decimal. Do it now. Okay. So what that answer is what? 48,000 words. Yes. 48,000 words. 48,000 words. Okay. Finish. Guido, finish. Okay. So next question. Clear now? Okay, okay, I'll wait. Okay, finish. Okay, so finish. Gabir, finish or not? Okay, so next question, right? The height of a cone is 30 centimeter. 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 A small cone is cut off. A small cone is cut off at the top by a plane parallel to the base. A cone parallel to the base, like this. Okay. A small cone is cut off parallel to the base. Okay, listen here. The height of a cone is 30 centimeter. A small cone is cut off at the top by a plane parallel to the base. Its volume is 1/27 of the volume of the cone. If its volume is 1/27 of the volume of the cone, at what height above the basis of the section made? At what height? Okay, I'll repeat the question. Listen all. The height of a cone is 30 centimeter. The height of a cone is 30 centimeter, 30. The height of a cone is 30 centimeter, 30. A small cone is cut off at the top by a plane parallel to the base. That means this part just cut, it's out. Its volume is the remaining part. If its volume be 1/27 of the given cone, 1/27 of the volume of the given cone. At what height above the base? At what height above the base the section is made? That means from here, this height you have to find it. Where you have to cut from the base to get 1/27 of the given volume. Clear or not? Understood the question? Arjun, second line. If the volume, listen, if the volume be 1/27 of the volume of the given cone, comma, at what height above the section made? That means take a cone, just cut. One part is out. The balance one is 1/27 of the volume of the given cone. Then where we have to cut from the base. So from here, this height we have to find out. Now clear the question. Question understood or not? Yes, guys. I'll explain this one. You just understood the question. Listen. A full cone height is 30 centimeter. Okay, then we just cut by a plane parallel base. From here, just one cut. This part is gone. Top is gone. Balance one, volume is 1 by 27 of the volume of the original one. Then where you have to cut from the base? That's the question. Okay. Look at here. This is connected, similar triangle, also connected one. Look at here. This one, H, capital H. It is given. I know this is given. This is chota H. This is chota R. This is capital R. Okay. We know that triangle AB, this is E. Triangle AEF similar to triangle ADC. Is it okay? Triangle AEF, chota triangle. AEF similar to ADC. AA similarity. Are you okay now? AA, because angle A common, angle AEF equal to angle ADC, corresponding angles, because cutting by parallel. Therefore, AE divided by AD equal to EF divided by DC. AE is H. AD is capital H. EF is R. This is capital R, number 1. Now, come back to the question. Question saying what? This volume, chota volume, 1 by 3 pi R square H equal to 1 by 27 of 1 by 3 pi capital R square H. Agree or not? This is the condition. Okay. This volume is 1 by 27. Correct or not? If its volume, the cut part, this volume is 1 by 27 of the original one. So here 1 by 3 cancel, pi cancel. Look, balance R square H equal to capital R 1 by 27 into R square H. Okay. I'm keeping this H here. H equal to 1 by 27 into R square by R square into H. But R by R is what? Capital H by small h. So 1 by 27 into H square by H square into H. Okay. This H square going here. So H cube equal to capital H cube by 27. So small h is what? H by 3. H is given 30. 30 by 3, 10. 10 is the answer? Hello? Is it 10 is the answer? Then what is the answer? What is the answer? 20. Correct or no? 10 is not the answer. 20 centimeter. That means H is here. 20 centimeter from the base. Is it okay? Clear or not? If you want, I'll explain again. Is it okay? Clear? Yes. Clear or not? Okay, Ganja. Listen here. I'll explain here. First of all, Ganja, you understood the question? Question is a cone. Listen now. A cone of height 30 centimeter. We cut by a plain parallel base. This upper part is gone. That volume is the upper part volume. The upper part volume is 1 by 27 of the down part volume not in our picture, not in our syllabus. That's the problem. Understood now? Upper part volume only in our picture. Down it is called frustum. That is dropped. Okay, that's why this question is valid. Look, the upper part volume is 1 by 27 of the original cone. Okay, then where we have to cut from the base. Okay, look, we mark like this. Triangle AEF. Look at the triangle. Triangle AEF similar to triangle ADC. AA similarity. Reason what? Angle A common. Then angle AEF equal to angle ADC. Corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle AEF similar to triangle ADC. Then AE divided by AD equal to EF by DC. In similar triangle, corresponding sides are proportional. So AE chota h, AD capital H equal to R by capital number 1. Okay. After that, come back to question. The upper part volume 1 by 3 pi R square H equal to 1 by 27 of the original volume. 1 by 3 pi capital R square h. Pi cancel. Cut. 1 by 3 cancel. Balance here. R square h equal to 1 by 27 into R square h. Okay. So, but h keep it here. R square going down. R square by R square into h. But this R square by R square we know from 1. Capital H square by H square. Capital H square by H square equal into H. H square going here. H cube equal to capital H cube by 27. So H equal to H by 3 cubic root. Then H is 30 by 3 10. Therefore 20 centimeter from the base you have to cut. Okay. Now clear? JS students okay no this question okay. Okay, copy now. Okay, finish. Similar one question is there. Okay. Okay, so finish. Hello, finish. Okay, similar one question. Right. No problem. So we'll arrange a class better, no? Instead of sending the video. Okay. All DPS students, I'll arrange a class. Okay. Which day is possibilities? Friday or Friday no need. Saturday. Okay. I'll do that. Okay. Let's start the school this chapter. Okay. So I'll make a class better instead of sending the video. Okay. Right. Yeah, I mean extra class. Right. Saturday, no problem. Saturday for me, evening free. That is. Okay. Right. Anyway, I'll arrange that. Okay. Right. A hollow cone is cut by a plane. This is a similar question. A hollow cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base. A hollow cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base. A hollow cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base. A hollow cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base, and the upper portion is removed. And the upper portion is removed. The upper portion is removed. The curved surface area, the remainder. The curved surface area of the remainder is 8 by 9 of the curved surface area of the whole cone. 8 by 9 of the curved surface area of the whole cone. The curved surface area of the remainder is 8 by 9 of the curved surface area of the whole cone. 8 by 9 of the curved surface area of the whole cone. Find the ratio of the line segment. Find the ratio of the line segment into which. Find the ratio of the line segment into which. Find the ratio of the line segment into which the cone altitude is divided by the plane. 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 Okay. Okay. Question. Listen here. I like HP Agamir. I have some particular types like TV. I got very bad experience from Sony, but still I like Sony only. Like that. I like HP. Yeah, Dell also good. Okay, Dell also good. In company we are using Dell only. Okay, right. A hollow cone. Phone I like actually iPhone, but downloading and all, a new program loading, we have to keep every time you have to type our ID and all. That's why I hate. A hollow cone is cut by a plane. Write the question. A hollow cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base. A hollow cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base. And the upper portion is removed. And the upper portion is removed. And the upper portion is removed. Okay. The curved surface area, the remainder. The curved surface area of the remainder is 8 by 9 of the curved surface area of the whole cone. That means one cone, like previous question, we cut. Upper part is removed. The balance part is curved surface area is 8 by 9 of the curved surface area of the whole cone. Then find the ratio of the line segment into which. Find the ratio of the line segment into which the cone altitude is divided by the plane. The cone altitude is divided by the plane. Okay, look at here. Here, this is the cone. Okay, A, B, C. Here, like previous question, we cut here. A, B, C, D, E, F. We cut this one. Look at here, don't write. A hollow cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base and the upper part is removed. This just one cut, right? Just one cut, this part is removed. Okay. Then, like in northeast, some puja is there. That puja day, they bring one buffalo. Okay. Then they cut. Within a cut, the throat is out. If not out, something wrong in the village. Anybody is in the northeast here? No, that is in Kerala. Break the coconut and all. This is not like buffalo. This is called Kali Puja. That day, I seen. Okay, they within a cut, the throat of the buffaloes out. It's really there. It's in northeast, Assam and all. Assam, Nagaland and all. Okay. It's not hen. It is, yes, and their throat means what? Head is gone, no. Paira. Then throat cut means head is there. What are you asking? Okay. So you can see the Assam, the Dibrugarh side and all. Okay. Come on. Like that. Here, just one cut. Only one chance. Because then only it will parallel. Okay. The throat, sorry, the upper part is out. Okay. A hollow cone is cut by a plane parallel to the base and the upper part is removed. The curved surface area of the remainder is 8 by 9 of the curved surface area, the hollow cone. That means this part is 8 by 9 of the original one. What about this one? If it is 8 by 9, what about this one? Hello. If it is this one 8 by 9, this is how much? 1 by 9. Correct or not? That is 1 by 9. Okay. Okay, now look at here. Like previous question, this one, chota h. Capital H, chota h, chota R, capital R, chota L, capital L. Because we need L here. Curve surface area. Okay, now like previous question, triangle AEF similar to triangle ADC. AA similarity. So H by capital H equal to R by capital R equal to L by capital. Okay, draw figure. There's no space. Draw figure first. So suppose, listen, anyone waiting outside, please send a WhatsApp message. Then like notice. Okay. Don't wait long time. Okay, write this one. Draw figure H, capital H, chota R, capital R, L, capital L. Then write triangle AEF similar to triangle ADC. AA similarity. Then H by capital H equal to R by capital R equal to L by capital L. That is called it number 1. Yes, are you getting this one? You may be done this type question, right? Hello, GIS. Or GIS sleeping. Okay, maybe done this type question. No, you just write up to here only. Up to here only you have tried. Don't write further. Okay. Ushasi, Akshara, Shana, Hamza, Richo, Gidu. Are you getting? Okay. So now we reach here H by, okay, now look at here. Hello. Now the question is, pi RL, look, because curve surface area, pi R chota L equal to 1 by 9 pi R capital L. Agree or not? Is it okay? By 1 by 9, understood? No. This curve surface area is 1 by 9 of the pi capital R. You understood from where is pi 1 by 9 came? Because total is 1. This one is 8 by 9. This is 1 by 9. Clear now? Any doubt? Gidu. Ushase. Akshara team. Hello. Hamza. Is it okay? Okay. So okay then. Okay. Now look at here. Now look. Here pi cancel. Okay. This 9 coming here. 9 equal to R by R into L by L. Correct or no? 9 coming here, R going down, L is here. Then R by R, what? Chota R, okay, H by chota H. L by L, chota H by H. So that is H square by H square. Therefore, H by H equal to 3. Correct or no? 9 equal to H square by H square. It's very simple. H by H equal to 3. So H equal to 3H. The H equal to 3H. But this is H. So this is what? 2H. So ratio is what? This by this one. Ratio what? 1 is to 2. Ratio is 1 is to 2. It's okay? Okay, finish. Okay, so next question. It's also star question. Okay. Okay, next slide. A right triangle whose sides are 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter. A right triangle whose sides are 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter. A right triangle whose sides are 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter is made to revolve about its hypotenuse. 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 Find the volume and surface area. Find the volume and surface area of the double cone so form. Find the volume and surface area of the double cone so form. Find the volume and surface area of the double cone so form. Okay, look at here once again. A right triangle, listen, a right triangle whose sides are 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter is made to revolve about its hypotenuse. Find the volume and surface area of the double cone so form. Use pi equal to 3.14. Okay, look at here. Here, don't write. I'll explain this question. Okay. Okay, look at here. You did last year this type of question. Come on, you can see that this one, a cone, a triangle, you can see or not? Hello, can see. Yes, okay. Come on, look at here. Look at the triangle. I'm turning now. How many triangle form? If you turn like this, how many triangle form? If I turn like this, only one triangle, right? Sorry, one cone, right? One cone is formed. Radius is 20, height is 50. Look, if I turn like this, speed round, we feel one cone of radius is 20, height is 50. Okay, if I turn like this, also one cone form, but radius is 50, height is 20. Correct or not? Is it okay or not? You did last year this question, correct? Okay, but this year turning around the hypotenuse, about a hypotenuse, like this. Look, keep like this. You can see now. Hello, hey, our camera you cannot see. White camera. Okay, look. We turn like this. Two cone is formed. Where two cone? One is upper one is down. Right? If you turn about the hypotenuse, double cone is formed. Because we cannot turn only the upper part. And we cannot turn only the down part. Can you turn only your head? Can? Your head can rotate. Head alone. I think some dancers can turn, like Kathak dance. Any dancers here? Kathak. Kathak is Orissa dance or Kathak dance is seen or not? Karnataka is Kathak. Very fast they turn the head. Is seen or not? No one here dances. Very fast they turn the head and okay, anyway, look at here. So come on. So that is here, double cone is formed. Now we have to find out volume and surface area of the double cone. Look at here. Here I think GIS may be done this one. Look. This one 15, 20. A, B, C. This is looks like this. It's coming to here. So double con here. It comes like this. Okay, this is center. Look here. It is here like this. Okay, now we have to find the double con. So 4. Okay. To find the first of all, we can find out the volume or surface area. Okay, both are same. Okay, we can find out AB. AB is AB square equal to AB square equal to 15 square plus 20 square. So 625. So AB equal to 15. Sorry, 25. This length is 25. Okay. So this is our H1. This is our H2. Okay. Now the formula is volume is first one 1 by 3 pi r square H1 plus 1 by 3 pi r square H2, because r is same only. Look, r is same. Correct or not? 1 by 3 pi r square into H1 plus H2. So that is 1 by 3 pi r square into 25. But r is missing. Correct or not? This length missing. How will find out that? Yes, Gidu, answer it. How will find out this length? That means radius. Hello, come on. How will find out OC, the radius? Yes. If not getting, I'll give a chance to others. Gidu, where is Gidu? Gidu gone. Okay, it's there. Okay. Hello, Gidu. How will find out? OC, how will find out? Agamir, I didn't ask you. Perpendicular from the no. No idea. Gidu, Ushasi. Hamza, anyone, any GIS can answer. Akshara, Steve, Aburwa, Farhana. So Pythagoras theorem, BOC. So what? No. Theorem, nothing. You just find the OC. That's only my question. Don't apply theorem and how to get OC. That's my question. If we get the radius, just substitute here. We thought because R everything finished. Only we miss R. Anyone? Okay, come back to any others. Others now open. The chance is open. Heron's formula. Okay, you can manage that. Then Dilna. Heron's formula. Okay, you find what? Dilna. You find the Heron's formula using Heron's formula. What do you find? That is a connection. Okay. Come on fast. Area, then. Yes, Fira. Correct. No, but I not Dilna and Fira, you reach the point, but I'm not using that all. I have a little more easy way. Look at here. Why should I go for a Heron's formula? Look at here. Look, I'll give the note, don't write. Area of half into AC into BC equal to half into AB into OC. Agree or not? Half base into height equal to half base into height. Is it okay? Is it okay, Dilna? right? So now half cancel. AC is 20. 20 into BC is 50. AB is 25. OC we can find out. Simple. Finish. All right. No need to go for the Heron's formula and all. Heron's formula you will get it, but it more time will take. Okay. So write down. Start. Draw figure. I'll give the note. Okay. Just draw the figure. After that, I'll give the note. Okay, right. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC equal to half AC into BC, half AC into BC, half AC into BC equal to half AB into OC. Half cancel. 20 into 15 equal to 25 into OC. How much OC then? I think 12. OC is what? 12. Yes, OC is 12. Radius we got. After that, look. Then write volume of the double cone. Volume of double cone 1 by 3 pi r square h1. This is h1 plus 1 by 3 pi r square h2. We explained first that one. Okay. Like some Malayalam movies like that. First climax, first, then start. Okay. So 1 by 3 pi r square h1 plus 1 by 3 pi r square h2. 1 by 3 pi r square outside h1 plus h2. Now 1 by 3 into 3.14 given. R is 12 into 12 into 25. You find out. Okay, what do you got? Okay, you got 3768, right? 3766 centimeter cube. Now, after that, Gauss approximated the double cone. Simple. Pi r L1 plus pi r L2. Pi r into L1 plus L2. 3.14 into R is 12. L1, 15. L2, 20. Okay. Okay, finished now. This question is all over. This is both are important questions. Okay, so now the next questions. Right. Yes, next chapter I'll do some revision Thursday. Okay. Right. There are two spheres of same metal. It's finished now. Final answer is. Final answer finished now. So, 131.8.8. Okay, right. There are two spheres of same metal. There are two spheres of same metal weighing 1 kg and 7 kg. There are two spheres of same metal weighing 1 kg and 7 kg. Same metal. Okay. What? What is he telling? Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, what is this asking? Abhimanyu, what are you asking? That I just done a calculation only now. L1 what 15, L2 is 20. It is what 35. You are reading the board. You're still behind the board. L1 is how much, man? 15. L2 is 20. It is 35. Everybody knows that. Okay. Calculations are your part only. Okay. Next, don't waste the time. There are two spheres of same. Yes, but here Sri Lanka TSA only. But here it is attached. No, there is no base here because connected. Double cone is connected one. There is no base. Correct or no? Because your neck and body is connected, so there is no base. Head separate, body separate. No, like that only. Look, correct or no? Okay, so write the question. There are two spheres. There are two spheres of same metal. There are two spheres. There are there are two spheres of same metal weighing 1 kg and 7 kg. Okay. Listen, there are two spheres. There are two spheres of metal weighing 1 kg and 7 kg. 1 kg and 7 kg. The radius of smaller one is 3 centimeter. Volume of the smaller one is 3 centimeter. Two spheres melted. Two spheres melted to form a single big sphere. Two spheres melted and forming a single big sphere. Find the diameter of the new sphere. Find the diameter of the new sphere. Okay. Okay. Question again. There are two spheres of same metal weighing 1 kg. Weight is 1 kg and 7 kg. The radius of smaller one is 3 centimeter. The radius of smaller one is 3 centimeter. The two spheres are melted and form a single metal cube. Single sphere. Find the diameter of the new cube. Find the diameter of the new sphere. Are you okay? You can try this one. Abida, you got the marks? How much you got? Okay. So are you getting this one? Hello, anybody getting or not? One important word is here. Which one? There are two spheres of there are two spheres of same metal weight. Okay, you studied this one. Mass by volume equal density. Mass equal to volume into density. Okay, here same metal, so density is same. Okay, first you find volume 4/3 pi into R is 4/3, radius is 3 cube. Okay, into density D equal to 1 kg. Correct or no? Look at here, mass by volume equal to density. Mass equal to volume into density. Okay, here same metal, that means same density. Volume of the first one, 4/3 pi R cube into D equal to 1. So D equal to 1. This is okay. Look, 4/3 pi into 3 into 3 into 3 into D equal to 1. 1, 3 cancel. D equal to 1/36 pi. We got D. Okay, now the bigger one, 4/3 pi into R cube, D equal to 8. Why 8? The bigger one is weight is 8. You substitute 8 here, you get the answer. Okay. Clear now? No, yes, diameter is 12. Okay. No, mass by mass only given. Okay. Mass is given. Okay. No, mass is given here. Okay. I know that mass and weight. Okay. Mass of first one is 1 kg, second one is 7 kg. So both are the bigger one. Total is 8. Okay, find that. How much it is? 12. Okay, finish now. Next question. How many shots SHOTS? How many shots? Each having diameter 3 centimeter. Each having diameter 3 centimeter. Each having diameter 3 centimeter. Can be made from a cuboidal. Can be made from a cuboidal lead solid of dimensions 9 centimeter into 11 centimeter into 12 centimeter. 9 centimeter into 11 centimeter into 12 centimeter. Okay, question again. How many shots, each having diameter 3 centimeter, can be made from a cuboidal lead solid of dimensions 9 centimeter, 11 centimeter, 12 centimeter? What will do? How many shots, each having diameter 3 centimeter, can be made from a cuboidal lead solid of dimensions 9 centimeter into 11 centimeter into 12. How you find out? Volume of the lead divided by volume of the sphere. Okay, find fast. Okay, finished. How much? 84, right? Okay, listen, one more question. What explain the question, man? Ayan. You just find the volume of the solid divided by volume of the volume of the sphere. Okay, next question, right? Okay, right. Last question today's. Okay. 500 persons are taking a dip. 500 persons. 500 persons are taking a dip. 500 persons are taking a dip into a cuboidal pond. Into a cuboidal pond, which is 80 meter long, which is 80 meter long and 50 meter broad. 50 meter broad. 500 persons. 500 persons are taking a dip in the cuboidal pond, which is 80 meter long and 50 meter broad. What is the rise of water level in the pond? What is the rise of water level in the pond? If average displacement of water, if average displacement of water by a person is 0.04 meter, 0.04 meter cube, 0.04 meter cube, 0.04 meter cube. A metal cube. Sorry. What is the rise of water level in the pond if the average displacement of water by a person is 0.04 meter cube? What will do? Question. What is the rise? What is the rise of water level in the pond if the average displacement of water, if the average displacement of water, if the average displacement of water by a pond is 0.04 meter cube, 0.04 meter cube. What will do? The volume of water rise 80 into 40 into H equal to what? 1 person 0.04. 500 into 0.04. Correct or no? Clear now? The volume of water rise, that is length into breadth into height, equal to 1 person dip 0.04. This is 500 persons. Okay. So okay now. So we can find out the height. Point 0.5. Yes, 0.5 centimeter. This is enough today. So we'll continue next class. Come here. This tank is 50 meter long, 40 meter breadth. Water is there. Okay. Then 500% dip. Of course, water will rise. How much water rise? Volume of water in the tank equal to volume of this person. 500 is your Archimedes principle is studied now. Same. Okay.